Well, you did it. You made it to this final video in the feast series. I just want to say a big thank you. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being interested in being healthier and living a long and healthy life. And you did it. You made it to the end of the program. And I hope that you have found the motivation to continue eating this way. I just wanted to leave you a few parting words of advice to help you to continue to have success in your plant-based eating journey. We've talked about some survival tips. I wanted to give you a few extra helps for the holidays on some things that have personally helped me. So deciding beforehand what I'm going to do has really helped in my food preparation during the holidays. I usually will look up some delicious recipes that are vegan, that fit into a delicious holiday theme, and I whip those up and just have them ready to go so that when we get together for big holiday meals, I have stuff ready to go that I can enjoy, and nobody has to go out of their way to make sure that I'm happy, because I've taken care of that for myself. In the recipe section for members, I have a holiday section where I have, mashed potatoes and gravy and stuffing and yummy salads and tons of cookies and cakes and desserts for the holidays. So if you are interested in my go-to vegan holiday recipes, that is located in the members section. And then another really big tip that has really helped me over the holidays, so this is like from October through the end of December, is I usually make my eating window a little bit smaller. So we've talked about our circadian rhythm and eating in that 8-hour window and shifting it to earlier in the day. A lot of times I will shorten my window a little bit, so like I'll start eating instead of at 10 a.m. like around noon, and then be done by 5. This has helped me tons, because a lot of times when I'm tempted, it's usually like a 6, 7, 8 o'clock evening gathering where there are tons of treats that aren't good for me, and so I am done eating for the day, and so I'm not eating them. If something looks really good to me, or I think will be yummy for my family and fits into my eating style, sometimes I'll take it home and enjoy it the next day. But that just helps me to not put on like 20 pounds over the holidays. Also, I want you to remember, when you are trying to adapt to a new lifestyle, there's going to be times where it all falls apart and it just isn't working, and you're going to need to make a new strategy. And that's okay, and that's normal. Just keep trying until you figure it out. And remember, if you are trying to get some big results for your health, big changes are going to bring those results. That can also be a hard thing to adjust to, so be gentle with yourself, and remember to keep practicing, and remember to focus on the reason why you are doing this to help you stay motivated. And then my last bit of advice would just be to stay informed. I will continue to post updates on my website as information comes out. It will come out on the free resources tab. I will also probably be creating more video series, probably especially in the members section, as new information comes out. There's just a wealth of information that keeps coming to us about why eating this way is so beneficial for our health, and I don't expect that to change. Just stay up to date on nutritionfacts.org and the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, Dr. Michael Greger, Dr. Neil Barnard, Dr. Esselstyn, and Dr. T. Colin Campbell. We have all these amazing doctors and researchers who just keep delivering wonderful information to us to help us stay on track and remember why this is so important. So I just wanted to say thank you, and I look forward to hearing about how this eating style has helped your life, and I wish you the best of luck on becoming an expert in your own health.